Yeah, I don't know how many of you saw my short, but it started raining about 3 o'clock this morning. It didn't stop till about 5 o'clock this evening. And we've had a lot of rain out here. I was worried about some of the plants. Onions, of course, I'm not too worried about them. Wanted to make sure my potatoes weren't standing in water. They're not. That's good, they're draining fine. Fig tree, man, I bet he's loving this rain. Newly planted petunias, doing okay. Let's go over here to the produce prison. Y'all probably hear that old cow out there in the background. She's mooing at me. She thinks she's gonna get a treat because Daddy's outside. She's not going to tonight. It's too muddy for me to go out there. But let's get over here in the produce prison. Things fared pretty well. Marigolds got beat up a little bit, but the patty pan squash coming along good. Things look good. Didn't lose any tomatoes or anything else. But something I've learned. It's gonna be the third time I've done this today. If you have planters that have the water reservoir in the bottom, when you have a rain like this, you better come out and grab them and dump them. Because go along and look, well, right here in the corn, that's a perfect example. That is full of water. I'm gonna have to dump that one out too. Overall, I think we did good. Everything survived. Like I said in the short earlier, in case you didn't watch the short, I'll go ahead and tell you. Weatherman said we had about 3 inches of rain at my place. My rain gauge goes up to 6 inches and it was full to the top and running over. So, hope everybody's doing fine. We'll check back in with y'all soon. They say the sun's coming out tomorrow and they say the nights are fixing to be warm. Means it's time to plant some peas and some other goodness. Hope everybody's doing well. Y'all take care.